Hi, this is Dr. Scott. I'm here to give you a quick demonstration on how to best upload your documents to the article repository. Over on the left side of your Blackboard screen, you'll see a link that says Article Repository. You're going to click on that link. Once you click that link, it'll bring up the wiki where the article repository is located. Click on Article Repository once more, and it's going to bring up the wiki page with some written instruction on how to upload this as well. Scroll down just a little bit, and what you'll want to do is go ahead and edit your wiki content. You're going to find the subject matter in the module under which you're submitting your PDF article. You're just going to go right below, just click right below the next empty space underneath that particular section for that module. You're going to go to the Insert File paperclip here, click there. You'll need to browse your computer to find your document. You can double click on your document. It's going to insert it here, so you can just make sure that this is the document you want to post. You'll be hitting Submit. Submit once more, and then submit once again. Once the submission is complete, you're able to see that you have successfully submitted your document, and if you click on the link, it should take you to the document that you submitted to the wiki. The articles included in this article repository are going to be useful for all of your projects within the course, especially when you do your cumulative assignment in Module 6. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.